So welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and here's a quick update regarding the MLH Global Hack Week challenge. So most of you reported that you are not receiving the emails, and some of the important updates that you are not showing swag status as not claimed. So how you can get it fixed, here we'll cover in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming to the mail directly, this email I received yesterday, and it says that thank you for joining us and all the details they have mentioned. Now here they have mentioned that we have earned our basic swag, which includes postcard and stickers. Okay, and you haven't earned bonus swag. So bonus swags, what will be in the bonus swag? Mostly I think there will be some special edition stickers. So we have earned 8 points over here. So what the things we have completed? Okay, below are the challenge which you completed yesterday. So I signed up for the GitHub developer pack. Okay, so this challenge I completed, and if I just see the previous email, let me just open it. So this was the email I received 2 days ago, that is 16th of February. So the email was saying that we haven't earned any swag. So here you can see what challenge I have completed. I signed up for the Snowflake account, and I have just completed the challenge of the Google NVIDIA ticket and downloaded free dataset, made a video about Global Hack Week. So here you can avoid it also, or simply create a short form of content and post it over there. How to post it, I'll show you a quick demo, and fill out the address form. So for all these challenges I have already created a playlist, right? So if I just come over here, and in the playlist only, if you just carefully watch, so I'll attach the playlist also, these challenges. Okay, that is Google X NVIDIA challenge, how to download Snowflake dataset, how to unlock free Snowflake account. So all these things we have covered. Okay, address form also, video will be live very soon. So we have completed all these challenge. Only the GitHub developer pack. So what I did, I just submitted the screenshot that I am unable to. I think I posted a video regarding it. So let me just check it. So yes, in this video I've shared how to do the GitHub challenge. So you can just watch all these videos and you'll be able to get the basic swag, that is sticker. So this was a quick update, and if you're interested in other events also, you can always check the channel. There are multiple events which are live, whether it's related to the Google NPCI and GFG challenge, or whether it's related to getting certified, whether it's related to technical scripter, Google Cloud Arcade. All the challenges are already live in the channel. You can just explore and just watch the videos. I'll attach some of the links in the description, so make sure to check it out. And this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you're not getting this email, you can simply reach out to the support team. Okay, reach out to their support team. Just join the Discord server. How to join it? Let me just share if there is a yes. You can click on this link. You'll be redirected to their Discord server. There you can join, or you can just tag them on Twitter or Instagram. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.